Hello and welcome to this new lesson, in which we will talk about putting together a circuit. So, now you know what an Arduino, breadboard, and wires are. Time to combine them into a circuit. This is a satellized picture of a breadboard, and I'll explain it to you below. By plugging things into your breadboard, as it suggests, you can have a circuit that will allow you to make an LED light-emitting diode blink. So, this is pretty self-explanatory, though it may be a little confusing. So, I'll tell you exactly what it all means. First, let me show you the two parts it requires that you aren't yet familiar with. These are LEDs below. Note that one of the metal pins is longer than the other. That's important. You should keep it in mind. The other thing is a resistor. Resistors are kind of complicated, and in order to fully understand them, I'll have to explain things like current and voltage. However, it's not required to understand circuits to use Arduinos. Since the Arduino platform has so much support on the internet that you should easily be able to find a diagram telling you exactly what resistors you need and where to put it in order to make a proper circuit. However, the above picture is what resistors look like. Note also that they have lines on them, and those lines are also appearing on the drawing above, so that you know which direction the resistors should be installed. So let's bring that photo back. Now you have seen the parts. So basically what it's telling you to do is to plug your LED's longer meter pin into row 9 and its shorter pin into row 10. A resistor, which is 330 ohms as needed for the circuit, then connects row 10 to the anode, which is minus column. You can place the resistor in any hole on the minus column, because we already know that they are all connected. Now, just connect the wires to the Arduino. We have a wire from row 9 connected to pin 13, and then a wire on the cathode connected to 5 volt and one to the anode going to ground. Note the Arduino how all little holes are labeled, like on the right is number 13, on the left is the 5 volt. Also in the left there is ground. All you have to do is just to plug the appropriate wires in. So as soon as you plug your wires into the correct holes, you'll need to do a couple more steps to make your LED blink. At first, you'll have to plug the power into the Arduino. Then, you'll have to upload a certain code to the Arduino in order to make your LED blink. Now, we will learn how to make that LED blink. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you have any question, please ask in the Q&A board. See you next lesson.